Do you want to know how I earned $13 in just 5 minutes by watching videos and taking quizzes on Coinbase? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I love testing different ways to make money online, and many have asked me for an updated video about Coinbase learning rewards where you can just take small quizzes, watch small videos and very easily earn crypto without any investment at all. So in this video I will show you exactly how it's done, some of my results, and explain who can even participate in this. So I have now logged into my Coinbase account, and Coinbase is a crypto exchange platform you can join from many different countries. I'll go over later who exactly can participate in these learning rewards, because this is something you can find inside Coinbase if you live in a country where it's available, and if you fulfill the requirements we'll go over in just a bit. But you can see it here, it is called learning rewards here. In the past, quite a long time ago when I first talked about it, it did have a different name. It's very easy to find in the menu. So what I go here, I can see these different campaigns, and as you can see here, for example, this one is about Aleo, so this is a crypto, this is about another one, and this is just Coinbase one here. And I cannot guarantee these exact ones will be available when you try this, because new campaigns come regularly. But the idea is basically here you will click and then you will see the campaign, and you can see this particular one has 10 tasks, and I would be able to earn a total of $33 worth of Aleo, which is the cryptocurrency. So you'll get it value the day you actually complete it there. Then you can of course hold on to it, and if it increases in value there, then it might become worth more, or you can also choose to then swap it for other cryptos once you have it. And you then just have different lessons here. So the first ones here, it's just like small animations, small quizzes. You learn something about this. It takes very little time to just go through it. You learn what this particular crypto or this project is about. Then there are some few questions, very easy. At the end there's like one question or so, and if you are wrong then you can just try again. You can just select another answer. So it's quite easy like that. So it really doesn't take long, and it actually can be quite interesting to learn more different aspects of crypto if you're interested in learning more about that. But you can see here I completed these lessons here. That is $2.50 I got for that one, this one here, and another one here, $2.50, and this one here also. These in total, it took like 5 minutes or less or something like that. And then you can see the next one here that I would do here, I would need to then actually download and fund. So that means then I would need to actually transfer some funds into this particular wallet there, and then I would get $12. And then you can see there's some other ones. So you can just do some of the ones that doesn't require you to, for example, download the certain things or sign up for certain things, and just do the lessons, and I will still get this money here. I got it for the tasks or for the lessons I completed, and then you can just kind of decide yourself how many of them you will continue doing there. But super easy and quite interesting also. Another one you can see here, my task history there. You can see this one here, near, I earned $3 near, and this took like 1 minute, something like that, and it just went into my account after I completed there. It can sometimes take up to 48 hours before you will get the funds into your Coinbase account. It will be paid into your wallet here inside Coinbase when you complete it. In my experience, it is usually available more or less immediately, so that's quite nice. But as you can see, there's some nice earning potential here because it is so easy and you can actually learn from it at the same time. And I'll just jump to my assets here, so you can see, for example, this Aleo here. You can see I showed you that I earned $10. Currently, you can see at the time of recording this video here, it lost a little bit of value. It is now just above $9 there. But if I hold on to it, maybe it will be worth more. If I want to, I can choose to swap it into any other crypto that is listed on Coinbase, and it has a lot of different cryptos listed. So definitely an easy and fun way to earn some free crypto. But it is not for everyone, so let's just go over the requirements to be able to participate in this. So according to Coinbase, then you can see here they have a whole section what is the requirements are to participate. And first of all here you need of course to have a Coinbase account there, and then you can see these are the countries it is currently available in. So if you do not live in one of these countries, then that is likely why you can probably not find these learning rewards inside Coinbase. Also, you do need to verify your personal information, so that means you need to go through this KYC, meaning identity verification, because basically all like centralized exchanges like this, they need to verify the identity of any people they have signing up. So if you're not willing to do that, you can also not participate in this. And then you need to complete a crypto purchase there. So you need to use some kind of method that is linked to Coinbase, and then you can buy any kind of crypto. It doesn't say what the amount needs to be, and you can actually even link your PayPal account to Coinbase. You can buy directly into here with the PayPal if you want, or you can also use some of the free earning methods that I have shown you here on my channel and other videos on my website, where you can earn crypto for free on other platforms. You can then use Coinbase, your Coinbase wallet, to withdraw it into, and then you can, for example, swap it, or so. That also counts as a purchase as far as I am aware. And then you can see, of course, here also you need to meet the internal fraud and compliance related criteria. So, there's not much information about what that means. But these are the requirements. Once you live up to this, it is quite easy to participate for sure. You just need to do it with the right expectations. So let's also just talk a little bit about the overall earning potential of this. So just to make it clear, this is not a way to become rich or anything like that, because these learning rewards, that's a way for Coinbase to motivate you to learn about certain cryptos. They have these different campaigns where they then give away free crypto, and it can be quite interesting to take part in, and it is also quite easy. And the earnings you get for your time is a lot more than what you get, for example, by watching videos on other earning platforms. But there are limited number of campaigns available. There are not like new campaigns added all the time or anything like that. The exact campaigns that are available, that will depend on any given time. Maybe by the time you watch this, there will be very few or none in your country. So this is just something to be aware of. It's not something you can rely on continuously, but if you are using Coinbase anyways, then definitely a section worth checking out to earn a bit of extra crypto very easily. But if you want methods to earn free crypto where you can do it continuously, basically every single day, I also have a list of the best free ways to earn Ethereum, and also one of the best free ways to earn Solana. So I'll leave links to these below here, so then you can go and check those out, and those methods are some you can use basically every single day. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.